Hello everyone, Mohammed here again. Now that you have successfully configured Ask4Summary, let's get into the usage of the plugin and how you as a teacher can maximize its efficiency. Just a brief reminder to when we added the block to the course page, there was a certain text that said scanned X amount of course modules. This is a preemptive measure done by Ask4Summary to identify PowerPoints, Word documents, and PDFs located within your course. Now shown on screen is the Ask4Summary block after the settings have been configured. You can see various links heading to block pages. You can also see the settings that you set in the block configuration. What is shown to students, however, is the same settings that you see, except they do not have access to the logistics page and the documentation page. On that note, let's take a look at the logistics page. After you click on the logistics hyperlink found in the block, you'll be redirected to a new page. Once here, you can access the course module progress and the form post answers. Let's begin with course modules. Under the course modules tab, you will see which file types and modules that you have enabled and disabled for parsing. Next, you will see a table with the total progress of parsed and unparsed course modules for each type. A parsed course module is a course module that has had its sentence content retrieved. An unparsed course module is a course module yet to have its sentence content retrieved. You will also notice, depending on your settings, that certain rows will be missing from the table. So, for example, if PDF parsing was disabled, the PDF row would be missing from the table. You will also see, further past the table, a tile card formatting of which specific course modules have been scanned and which ones remain. Regardless of your settings, each tile card for each file type will remain. Now, let's take a look at the next section, Form Posts. At the top of the Form Post section, you will be able to see how many posts have been answered and how long, on average, it takes for a response. In the first section of Form Posts, you'll be able to see which posts Ask4Summary has answered, who asked them, and when they were asked. Their summary will appear shortly after. Questions with duplicate answers will appear in the same section. Following the answered posts will be a section showcasing what questions Ask4Summary was unable to answer. The other processes that Ask4Summary has, its form scanning, document scanning, and question answering, are automated. If you'd like to improve these automated processes, consider the following. Use mostly Word documents, Moodle pages, and PDFs. These are the easiest for Ask4Summary to get sentence content from. Use documents with lots of direct sentences. Short sentence fragments are recognized the same as full sentences, so those will also be returned. Keep URL parsing to 1. The functionality for recursing twice or 3 times is fully functional, however, it is inconsistent and can slow down performance of the document scanning. If you would like multiple URLs, simply include them as separate course modules. Lastly, use URLs and PowerPoint presentations that use strict paragraph or bullet format. These modules are the most difficult for Ask4Summary, so choosing web pages or PowerPoints in this style will really help the learning database. For more information on any of these topics, head to the documentation page for more clarification. With that, you have now successfully installed, configured, and know how to use Ask4Summary. Thanks everybody for taking the time to watch these videos and try out the plugin. We really appreciate it.